How to add multiple collections to a single page in your Shopify shop. Now there's numerous ways you can go about this, but the method I'm going to show you, I think will be the easiest. First off, make sure on your products and on collection, you already have multiple collection. Right here, I only have pants, shirt, and homepage. 3 should be more than enough. Once you've made sure that your collection is sufficient, let's go to online store and go onto themes and then press on customize. Once here, you can see that this is one of the collection. Let's click this, scroll down, and the collection here is just showing all collection. I'll change that. I'll change the collection to only show the pants here. Select, and now it'll only show the pants collection. The way you can add multiple collection, I'm just going to duplicate this. So this feature product, hover over it or just click it, and then press on this button right here, duplicate. And down here, you'll see another featured products with another collection. So let's change this. I'll change the collection here to show the shirt instead. Select that. I'll add in another page, one more. And this time, this will show a homepage collection. I'll select that. This method works on the Dawn theme of Shopify, but you may have to differ a little bit if you're using other themes, but the essence is the same. You just copy and paste a bunch of collections and then change the collection within that. So that is how you add multiple collection in a single page in Shopify. It's as easy as that.